Oh wow. पहले bite में
Appetizing. This is very, very appetizing. Now you want to eat more.
कीमा is spicy. बहुत तीखा है.
So what good is a Kolhapuri thali if it's not spicy? If it doesn't make your eyes, nose, ears, mouth water?
It's just the character of the rice that just soaks in all the gravy and all the flavors are then hence transferred to the rice. Wow, this is just yum.
और बिरयानी टेस्ट करने के बाद मैं दावे के साथ कह सकती हूँ कि अगर आपने कुछ भी खाया और उसमें अगर बिरयानी इंक्लूडेड नहीं है तो प्लीज़ अलग से ऑर्डर करिए.
Really?
इट्स अनमिसेबल. We have been nibbling away on a host of vegetarian snacks जब से हम पुणे आए हैं. तो अब मन कर रहा है एक हार्डकोर नॉन वेजिटेरियन मील खाने की.
और एक से तो हमारा कुछ होगा नहीं. So we've selected two places where we're going to have mutton thalis.
Yes, दो अलग स्टाइल्स के and then we'll decide if we like this or that in Pune.
So this versus that में हम आ चुके हैं मिलन खानावड़ and the great thing about food is that ये hyper regional cuisines जो famous हो रहे हैं ना. So for example this we have a Kolhapuri thali in front of us.
मटन थाली.
Mutton thali of course. And in the Kolhapuri thali we have
A whole lot of spreads. Keema wati. Mutton fry.
mutton fry,
Mutton masala.
masala,
मटन तामड़ा रस्सा विथ मटन
with
पीस.
pieces. ये कोल्हापुर में भी नहीं मिलता है.
सिर्फ तामड़ा रस्सा मिल रहा है. देन स्मॉल वाटीज ऑफ ये है अरणी, ये है पांडरा रस्सा, सोल कड़ी,
And now
कांदा,
it's
नींबू. हम आ गए हैं चूल मटन
Chool mutton.
एट बानेर.
Baner, yes.
और यहाँ पर बहुत ही लैविश एक थाली, दो थालियाँ सजी हुई है. दिस इज नॉट कोल्हापुरी स्टाइल, दिस इज ट्रेडिशनल फ्रॉम द पुणे रीजन.
The
और-
district of Pune.
यस, जैसे कि मावर वगैरह वगैरह. सो दिस इज द स्पेशल मटन थाली. इसमें है मटन फ्राई,
Fry, yes. This is the favorite Aldi
एंड दिस इज द कीमा वाटी.
keema vati.
दिस इज अ रेड हॉट लुकिंग रस्सा.
Oh, sorry.
ज्वारी भाकरी, बाजरी भाकरी,
And
चपाती. और इसके साथ है जंबो साइज भाकरी. आई मीन लाइक
It's huge.
इट्स लाइक अ पूनम का चांद हमारे चेहरे से बड़ी भाकरी है.
So starting with Aldi. Wow. Delicately flavored with haldi and little salt and I think also pepper. Why you laughing?
I just like watching how you dissect everything.
My favorite is Aldi. Wow. Look, I will. It's yum. It's just yum. Again, lightly spiced.
Actually, don't want to ruin that alni with the spoon.
हाँ उसको राइस के साथ खाएं. Okay.
Okay, I'm going to start with jwari chi bhakri because it's my favorite millet, and with the spiciest thing on the plate, which I think is going to be the tamda rasa.
It is no, or will it be the fry or the masala?
Tamda rasa color is definitely quite fiery, तो मुझे लगता है वो सबसे तीखा होगा.
I'm going to start with the bajra. Spicy?
Underneath it,
Sting in the ring?
ring I don't know, sting on the tongue for sure. As a first bite, yes.
Oh, but look at the mutton. It's just soft mutton.
Beautiful mutton.
Mm.
Oh wow. Mm.
No words.
No, I have word. This is not so spicy. But it's got a bite.
Oh wow. पहले bite में
Appetizing. This is very, very appetizing. Now you want to eat more because it makes your mouth water.
and palate alive.
Yeah, wakes you up. Mutton masala.
Masala. I'll do the chapati with the masala.
Thick masala, not runny like the tamda rasa. Not so tikha, but very flavorful.
Is it?
उसकी जो थिक ग्रेवी है उसमें बहुत मसाले हैं लेकिन वो उतना तीखा नहीं है.
Classic kanda gravy. Huh? Also the quality of mutton.
So you know what this is, right? It's not goat meat.
It's cheap.
Yeah, यहाँ पर इसे कहते हैं बोलाइचा मटन, which is actually भेड़ का गोश्त, not बकरे का गोश्त. So पुणे रीजन में एक देवी है बोलाई, तो वो उनका जो वाहन है वो
It's goat.
इट्स गोट. तो जिनकी वो देवी है वो गोट मीट नहीं खाते. तो काफ़ी सारे इस रीजन में पुणे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में लोग हैं जो ये मटन नहीं खाते. तो स्पेशली लिखा हुआ रहता है कि ये बोलाइचा मटन है, मीन्स ये भेड़ का मटन है.
And now, second favorite in mutton thali, keema.
कैसा कीमा?
वैसे minced meat नहीं है, थोड़े बड़े बड़े chunks भी हैं, which is good, yeah, which is good.
ये मैं चपाती के साथ खाऊंगी.
But super spicy है. Just love keema. कीमा is spicy. बहुत तीखा है.
इंटरेस्टिंगली हर एक चीज है तो स्पाइसी, लेकिन सबका मसाला अलग है.
अलग है, yes.
The keema tastes very different compared to the other keema we had.
Yeah.
This one is spicier.
Spicier. That one had chunks of mutton. This has proper mince of mutton. So to cool ourselves down, let's have some pandra.
Pandra rasa.
Oh wow.
Oh my god, I could just have this pandra rasa.
Huh?
Flavorful, hot, soul food.
It's a bit like the alni, but they've put milk in this. Coconut milk in this.
Coconutty, उसका coconutty flavor immediately आ जाता है. Now I want to taste this rasa, just the rasa. तो ये कोल्हापुरी version of the थाली नहीं है, where there's a तांबड़ा रसा and a पांढरा रसा. There is just this red hot rasa.
ये इतना तीखा नहीं है, ये फ्लेवर है अच्छा.
Ooh, this is like a spicy soup.
और आई थिंक इसमें पेपर का ज्यादा फ्लेवर आ रहा है ना.
Yeah. Ooh. मजा आ रहा है इसको ऐसे पीने में.
Oh yes.
बिरयानी को कैसे खाया जाए?
ऐसे. Only it's a fiery. Oh. I'm loving everything on the plate. but now I'm going to make some space for the starchy rice,
Sticky rice.
sticky Indiani rice.
Maharashtra's version of the sticky rice.
तो बिरयानी में ये राइस तो बासमती है,
बहुत
Plus-
अच्छे से प्यार से बिरास्ता डाला हुआ है.
बेरस्ता भी बहुत अच्छे से डाला है.
1 piece of mutton.
Which is good considering there's so much mutton on the plate. This is also from the Marvel region.
Largely. इंद्रायणी राइस नासिक और पुणे के मावल रीजन में काफी बनता है. Other parts of Maharashtra also grow, but the name Indrayani comes from the river Indrayani, which flows through Pune district.
I was leading it with a joke.
I was waiting for that. Sorry. What was the joke?
Marvel region.
Oh.
Iron Man भी खाता है ये फिर? No?
तू खा रहा है ना?
Oh wow.
और बिरयानी टेस्ट करने के बाद मैं दावे के साथ कह सकती हूँ कि अगर आपने कुछ भी खाया और उसमें अगर बिरयानी इंक्लूडेड नहीं है तो प्लीज अलग से ऑर्डर करिए.
Really?
It's unmissable. Beautiful.
Oh yeah. It's just the character of the rice that just soaks in all the gravy and all the flavors are then hence transferred to the rice. Wow, this is just yum.
So what good is a Kolhapuri thali if it's not spicy? If it doesn't make your eyes, nose, ears, mouth water, and you don't have to do between
But
two
it's
bites.
not फालतू का spicy.
No, 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 not at all.
बहुत flavor है.
मतलब वो उसका सिग्नेचर है और वो होना ही चाहिए. और कोल्हापुर में कोल्हापुरी क्विजीन तो खाया ही है और अक्रॉस महाराष्ट्र जहाँ पर आपको कोल्हापुरी खाना मिलेगा, चाहे वो मिसळ हो या मटन हो, उसमें वो स्पाइस का उनका तड़का होना ही चाहिए. इफ़ यू कांट टॉलरेट स्पाइसी फूड, then you always have this alni stuff on the right side of the thali for you, which helps you to balance it.
Balance it, especially the panda rasa.
The panda rasa and the soul curry will help you cool down and hence manage the spices. But you can't
Soul
mix
curry
the
will also help you digest it, then you can eat more.
No.
Kanda, not pyaz.
Yeah. So मुझे actually इसको ऐसे खाने का मन कर रहा है.
Plain?
पहले तो just plain.
Like
बचपन में
balls.
कहते थे yes, भातू balls, rice balls. I'm in love with this rice. Very delicious. And it's a generous plate.
Oh yeah.
So many things. Actually, it's a lot for one person to eat. A one person like me to finish all of it. It's a
No,
lot.
even like me, दो लोग के साथ खा सकते हैं.
This rice is meant to be not like you can't see the grain separately. हम लोग
Yeah.
बचपन में इसका एक और नाम बोलते थे, पता है? प्रेमळ भात. मतलब
मतलब?
loving भात. मतलब वो बहुत प्यार से
They stick
चिपकता
to
है.
each other, that's why.
And now, let's top it with some keema.
Some
Keema. Batu keema balls.
fancy.
Damn.
Yum.
What a fun meal.
The special mutton thali जो है, that is for 600 rupees. And depending on what you order, the masala, fry or keema, it is between 330 to 350.
So this versus that, में price point में भी काफी फर्क है. They are not just different in style; they are differently priced. This thali is 550,
550 rupees, yeah.
and this is also a special
Special
thali,
thali, right?
but slightly cheaper. But this has fewer things on the platter compared to that one.
But if you compare if you look at the surroundings, it's got a more upmarket feel to it. So I think 550 rupees for a thali is,
Oh yeah, it's fully paisa vasool.
yeah. Okay, so time for rating. Milan Khanawat.
Milan Khanawal, for the entire thali experience, it's a 9.5 on 10.
And this one, chul mutton,
Also 9.5 on 10.
मेरा दोनों का 10 है because both experiences were different but great experiences, taste wise, cost wise, everything.
And individual portions wise and individual items wise, I think the Indrayani rice here was total killer. The
Haan.
biryani there was also beautiful. The keema here was delicious. The mutton fry there was amazing.
Amazing, exactly. The tamra rasa and the red gravy mutton again at par. So this versus that कैसे करें?
Honestly, अगर आप पुणे में एक पूरा दिन है तो मैं कहूँगी this को lunch करिए, that को dinner करिए. कुछ भी
बस
miss मत करिए.
perfect, open ended. You decide, you eat and you decide and you tell us. And on that note,
आते रहिए.
खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए
खाने में क्या है?
क्या है.
टक्कर का है क्या?
Better.
I wouldn't say better, लेकिन टक्कर का.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Definitely.
Really good.
This is
आगे
also really good.
आगे देख. But I prefer the Indrayani bhat to the biryani. For sure. Any day.
Indrayani bhat. The
Any
Indrayani
day.
bhat has a different character of its own. Like it was an excellent biryani,
Hmm.
and this is just another.
I didn't like that biryani.
You didn't like it? I like that.
Prefer this.
Then for sure.